Morgan Stanley versus HSBC USA. So which is better? In this video, we're gonna compare the two banks together and see which one is best for you. Morgan Stanley and HSBC USA are both prominent financial institutions, but they are catered to different needs and offer distinct services. Here is a comparison to help you decide which might be the better one for you. Now, Morgan Stanley is primarily known for its wealth management and investment banking services, and it provides wide services to the audience. For example, they offer a wide range of financial services, including investment management, security, high wealth management, and investment banking. And they typically cater to high net worth individual, corporation, and institution. They also have a strong in wealth management. They are strong in wealth management, and also they are strong in investment banking. They are also strong with a global presence and extensive resources. Now, talking about the HSBC USA, on the other hand, this bank is a subsidiary of HSBC Holding, known for its retail banking and commercial banking services. Now, the service provides a variety of banking services, including the personal banking, business banking, mortgage services, and investment services. And also, they serve a broad range of customers, from individuals to small business and large corporation. They also have they are strong in retail banking with a large network of branches and ATMs, and a focus on customer services and a convenience. Now, ultimately, the choice between the Morgan Stanley and the HSBC USA depends on the specific financial needs and your goal in person. If you are looking for a comprehensive wealth management and investment services, Morgan Stanley might be the better choice. On the other hand, if you need everyday banking services and convenience, like your convenience is more paramount to you, I think you should just go for the HSBC USA, which will be more suitable for you. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.